Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to use One4All at Argos. First, you'll need to choose a product you'd like to purchase. I'll just pick something at random from the website from this demonstration. Ideally, you should select an item you usually want to buy using your One4All card. For example, let's say I want to purchase this TV, I'll add it to my trolley. I don't need insurance, so I'll just continue without it. Next, I'll select Home Delivery. You can choose your preferred delivery date and then proceed to the payment section. At checkout, you'll see that the available payment options are credit, debit card, Argos card, or PayPal. You won't see a specific One4All option listed, but don't worry, here's what you need to do. Select the credit or debit card option. Your One4All card actually functions like a debit card and includes all the necessary details for payment. Just enter the card number from the front of your One4All card. For the expiry date, use the valid true date printed on the card. Then enter the cardholder's name and a CVC code found on the back. Once you've filled in all the details, click Pay Now. And that's it. You've successfully used all your One4All card to make a purchase at Argos. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, leave a comment to let me know and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Thank you for watching.